Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Morton and today we're going to add numbers with 3 digits. If you look at the symbol, we're doing adding. This plus sign means we add, which means we're looking for a total. I didn't write it ahead, but if you wanted to understand in the grand scheme of what we're doing, we are looking for this number, which belongs on top of the math mountain, the total. And the two add-ins we have are 324 and 132. So these are our add-ins that we're putting together to get to our total, which means whatever these two are put together, whatever their sum is, needs to be greater than each of the add-ins. So just to set up the purpose of what we're doing, I really like the Math Mountain just to make sure we understand what we're looking for. We're looking for our sum, which is our total. And it should be bigger than both of these numbers. Okay, now let's look at the numbers real carefully. Before we start doing any math, any like writing or adding, I want to look to see if we're doing any sort of regrouping. When we regroup, that means we're taking numbers that are too big within their own group and putting them in another group. So for example, look at the 4 and the 2. 4 plus 2 makes 6, right? So in the number 6, we don't have a group of 10. It's just 6. So we're not going to have to add a group of 10 anywhere. We're not going to have to regroup anything just by adding 4 plus 6. Let's take a look at our 10s. Here I have 2 10s plus 3 10s. 2 10s, this is like saying 20, 2 10s. 2 10s plus 3 10s equals 5 10s. Another way of saying that would be 20 plus 30 equals 50. Now when I add those numbers together, 20 and 30 makes 50. I'm not going to have to make a group of 100 because 50 only has 50. That's just like saying 5 of these guys, 5 groups of these 10 make 50. So I don't have to make another group. We're not going to regroup a group of 100. Now let's look at our hundreds. We have 300 plus 100. 300s plus 100s makes 400. And again, 400 does not make a group of 1,000. It doesn't have that many. So after looking at the digits and their values, we can see that we're not going to be doing any regrouping today. So that's why it's really important to look at your numbers before you start attacking it. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my base 10 blocks to decompose 324 and 132. And then using my number bond, I'm going to put them together. So watch, let's go ahead and decompose 324. So first I'm going to take 100, 200, 300. So there's 300, 10, 20, and then I'm going to add 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I'm going to decompose 132. So I'm going to take one group of 100. This is called a flat, one flat. I'm going to add 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 ones. 1, 2. All right. Now let's take a look at our numbers. 4 plus 2. So I'm going to take my number bond. 4 plus 2 makes 6. 2 10s plus 3 10s. That's this right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 makes 50. and then 300s plus 100. So here's my 300, 100, 200, 300 plus 100 makes 400. If I put it all together, 400 plus 50 plus 6 equals 456. And if you're still not sure that's what it makes, let's count it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 451, 452, 453, 454, 455, 456. So that's our answer, 456. Now I'm going to just delete the base 10 blocks for a second. Yes, I want to delete. And I want to go back to my number bond, because I kind of did it, I didn't quite decompose it the way we did it with the base 10 blocks. So I wanted to rewrite that. So when we had 320 and 4, we used 300. So it looked like this, 300. The two tens, 10, 20, and 4. And then we did the same thing here. Instead of just saying 100 though, we actually put it out in expanded form like this. 100, and then 3 tens is 10, 20, 30, and 2. So these are actually the numbers we're working with right here. Okay. I'm just putting circles around them just to see it easier. There we go. So then we put the 4 and the 2. 4 plus 2 makes 6. And then we're going to put 20 and 30 together, which makes 50. And then we put the 300 and 100 together, which makes 300. I'm sorry, it makes 400. And we put it together. 400 plus 50 plus 6 equals that number we just put together, 456. All right, everyone, that's all I have for today. I hope that helps you with adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Thanks for watching.